I am thrilled to share with you today our listing in Wildblue in Fort Myers, located at 18806 Wildblue Boulevard. Welcome to this fantastic home in an amenity-rich luxury community. Can't wait to show it to you. Let's take a tour. Gonna start on the outside of this home. There has been additional custom landscaping added to the home, including landscape lights on the trees in both the front and the back. Super long driveway. Let's head on inside. But before I do that, 3-car garage and an electric car charger. Awesome double door entry. Beautiful sight lines straight through the home, outside to the lanai area. Wait till you see it. But let's start right here in the entry and all of the upgrades that have been done to this home. So you can see the trim work, and we're gonna go on up. A little shiplap there in the ceiling. 7¼ modern style crown added after closing throughout the entire home, in addition to the other trim work that's done. One thing I absolutely want to point out is these beautiful light wood floors. They are not available in all the homes here in Wildblue. It was an upgrade available for a while, and then the builders stopped including it, and they are stunning. They bring so much warmth into the home, and it is engineered hardwood. As we come into the great room, you can see additional upgrades that were added with the custom TV feature wall with fireplace and lighting. You can see the crown again, and then beams that were brought in and added here to the tray ceiling. 10-foot tall sliders. Custom lighting and fan changed throughout. And a beautiful white kitchen with black hardware. Changed throughout, black faucet. And Wildblue is a gas community. So upgraded GE profile appliances. You can see the under cabinet lighting, all kinds of upgrades. But the star is definitely the open space and all of the light that comes into this home because of these 3 sets of 10-foot tall sliders. All right, I'm getting ahead of myself. We're not going outside yet. Quartz counters. Beautiful. All right, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take a look at the bedrooms. Quick look at some of our marketing that goes into the home. We have custom brochures made with our professional photos and video with QR codes scanning. Custom Gillette Group water bottles. So this is not something that you see in all homes. Our marketing is one of the things that sets us apart. All right, we're heading on over to the primary bedroom. The whole house has been painted, mostly a very neutral color throughout, with the exception of what you're gonna see here, some of the feature walls. Like this feature wall done here in the primary bedroom with a navy blue accent wall. Same crown again, carried throughout the home, in the tray ceilings as well as the hardwood flooring everywhere except for the bathrooms, which has a really lovely neutral tile. Amazing closets. 2 really large walk-ins in the primary bedroom. There's closet 1 with pocket doors. And closet 2. I often complain about the closets. Not in this one. All right, let's check out the primary bathroom. Full-size linen closet right here when you walk in. Huge walk-in shower. Again, beautiful tile work. Dual heads. And one of my favorite things about this bathroom is how much light comes in with the windows. You can see lighting, mirrors upgraded. Switch to some black. Fancy soaker tub, if that's your thing. And if not, that's all right, it looks cool. And of course, private water closet. Pretty awesome. You do have also access out to the lanai. Yeah, that's still lanai out there. That's how big it is. We're gonna get there here in a minute. So again, this is the Iris floor plan built by WCI Luxury Homes. And if you've been in one before, maybe you have, maybe you haven't. But one thing that's different in this home is they closed this off. It used to be open to a dedicated dining room, and they made it a dedicated den with a feature wall with some trim work. Again, with the crown. Look how much light comes in. Whoo! Tall ceilings are awesome. So, are you a dining room person? Or do you think this makes more sense as a den? I would love to know. Let me know in your comments. What do you think? You can see, added the doors. Dedicated den is the best use of this space for this family. All right, now we're coming back to some of the bedroom suites. We've got bedroom number 2 here. It's a really good sized bedroom for Florida. The crown again is carried throughout. Awesome view of the water. I haven't really talked about it yet because we haven't been outside as much, but this home is incredible because it sits with water on one side and water in the back. So only one neighbor who happens to be a part-time resident. So it's like you're living in your own little space. Pocket door leading into this bathroom with a walk-in shower with frameless glass. And this does double as the guest bath. And then you have another bedroom right over here. Bedroom number 3, if you include the primary. Looking out over that same waterway, just has some landscaping in front of it. So I forgot to mention in the last bedroom, it had a walk-in closet. This is the only bedroom that has a normal type of side-by-side closet, but it's still decent in space. So, works pretty good. Another queen size bed. So all of the three spare bedrooms all have queen size beds. You can see the walk-in down there. All right, while we're on this part of the house, we're gonna take a look here at the back hallway to the garage. We have another linen closet here. And then you've got a drop zone. Oh, got some water stored there. Don't be fooled. Those are the air conditioning units. And then you've got a dedicated laundry room, really nice size, with storage cabinets that match the kitchen and a sink. We're gonna take a quick peek into the garage. Again, it's a 3-car garage. Automatic lights just turned on. So it's a little messy because they are moving, getting stuff stored in here, but just want to point out the extra storage units that have already been hung from the ceiling. Those would stay. It is a tankless water heater with gas and a really awesome custom epoxy flooring. Not from the builder. This was done after closing as well. So look at all the storage you get here with that drop zone. It's pretty awesome. All right, now we're gonna head to the other side of the house. Pass through the kitchen again. Got your eat-in area here. Lots of room here. And we've got the next bedroom. Again, queen size bed. This is definitely the largest of the 3 bedrooms. Again, we've got the water view. Outside there, the window. Pocket door into the bathroom ensuite with frameless shower. And this one gives us access to the lanai, so it doubles as a cabana bath. All right, let's head on out and see it. Ooh, huge lanai. It is as big as it seems. So we've got the outdoor kitchen here with the outdoor blaze appliances, refrigerator, grill, and you've got your sink. So right here we've got a dining area, smoker. That doesn't stay with the home, but everything's negotiable if you want it. And a TV viewing area set up here, along with a fan. But now you're gonna get a real nice look at how private this lot is. Check it out. So when you're sitting in your hot tub, that's what you're seeing. Beautiful preserved view. We've got northwestern exposure back here, but love it. Extra landscaping has been done back here. A lot of extra work, extra trees have been planted. And again, there is landscape lights on all of these palm trees, which looks really lovely. And you can just see the water behind there as well. Infinity edge pool, 360-degree hot tub, heats up super fast because you're on gas here, and travertine lanai. Again, you can see how big this home has the extended lanai option with the picture window screen, and it's massive. You can see when we look at the neighbor next door, their house is still in line with where I'm standing, and then our lanai goes even beyond where theirs is. Massive. And another upgrade that has been done is this is typically an open screen to the yard in the middle, and it has been closed in, and a tiled feature wall has been added with a fireplace, and that beam actually coordinates and matches the beams that are inside in the great room, which are the same shade as the wood flooring in the home. This home is impact glass throughout, doors and windows. And the most incredible thing, well, my favorite thing about this house is probably the upgrades that have been done inside. The engineered hardwood flooring I love, but truly the best feature is this lot. Right now I'm standing out here. You probably can't hear it, but I hear birds chirping. We see deer back there. We see wildlife, birds. Yes, the occasional gator in the backyard. But it's truly incredible. There are 2 ways to get in and out of Wildblue. So let's talk about this area a little bit and how great it is. 10 minutes to the international airport. So close. You can enter and exit on either Corkscrew Road in Estero or Alico Road in Fort Myers. This home is very close to the back exit, which is a residents-only gate. Pops you out right on Alico Road. You are 3 minutes to Gulf Coast Town Center with all kinds of restaurants, shops, stores, and more continuing to come as this area grows. Again, we are 10 minutes to the airport from this Alico roadside. When you pop out on Corkscrew and start heading east, you're just about, west, you're about 5 minutes to the Publix Plaza, all kinds of restaurants, Miramar Lakes, and we are about 10 minutes to Interstate 75, giving us access to everything you could ever possibly want. 25 to 30 minutes to the beaches, 25, 30 minutes to Naples, 25, 30 minutes to downtown Fort Myers. You catch my drift? So close to everything. It is awesome. And I haven't even touched on the resort style amenities that this community offers. It is a boating community. So we are not on boatable water here with this home. Across the street, those homes are, but you can still drop in a jet ski, a boat under 26 feet. You can paddleboard. Yeah, people do that. I get asked that a lot. Do people really paddleboard when there's gators in there? And the answer is yes. They also ski and do all sorts of fun things. We have a private beach outside of the main clubhouse where the restaurant and outdoor bar are, with service at the pool. Absolutely phenomenal. Great menu at the restaurant here. Really active tennis and pickleball. There's a dedicated lap pool in the sports facility, which is where tennis pickleball is, where the gym is. There is a spa and salon. Yes, you can get your hair and your nails done here in the neighborhood. You don't even need to leave once you get here. Wildblue is a phenomenal option for someone who's looking to live the Southwest Florida lifestyle. If you want to learn more about Wildblue, or you want to learn more about Estero and the surrounding areas, drop your email below and we will send you a link to our buyer's guides and our relocation guides to the area. Or we have an awesome amenity video for Wildblue. You can find it here on our YouTube channel, but I'm happy to send you a copy of that as well. It's worth checking out.
And now my love for you is so strong, girl.